Here at Tiyambepo Foundation, what we are currently doing is fixing chairs that have been broken. So at Tiyambepo, we have welding equipment to make sure that it assists us weld desks or tables that have been broken. So we go to schools, look for broken chairs, and then we maintain them. Yeah, we maintain them. So we seek help from well-wishers who can supply us with metal for welding these tables, to ensure that at the end all learners have access to a chair. Every learner has a chair to sit on. So we've maintained currently we've maintained about 10 of them, 10 chairs. All these were broken. They came here, these metals, so we had to weld and then design the chair and then weld. So with the current one that I'm welding, we've just redesigned that, and we've just welded this one. So these chairs are very strong. They are very strong. So we're welding very strong chairs that they will last for a number of years, 10 minimum years guaranteed. So we are appealing to well-wishers to assist us with the welding materials, so that we go to schools and weld the chairs. So 10 is a very huge number for a start. So this is what we are doing. Thank you so much.